All right, let's talk about something that affects pretty much all of us, but we kind of just ignore it. I'm talking about your lock screen privacy. Today, we are going to walk through exactly how to take back control of your notifications on your Samsung phone. Let's jump right in. So let me ask you this. Have you ever left your phone on a desk, maybe at work or a coffee shop, and had that sudden jolt of panic, that feeling of, oh no, what if a weird or personal message pops up for the whole world to see? It's a real fear because, yeah, anyone who can just pick up your phone can read your private notifications, even when it's locked. And this visual really says it all, doesn't it? On the left, you've got what's probably happening on your phone right now, a full message preview, just sitting there. But on the right, that's where we're headed. See? You know a message came in, but what it says is a total secret. Now that's the kind of privacy we're looking for. Okay, first, just pop open your main settings app. Got it? Now, scroll a little bit and find notifications. Tap that. Right at the top, you'll see lock screen notifications. Tap that too. And finally, just flick that little switch at the top to off. That's literally it. And the result? Exactly what we wanted. A totally clean, completely blank lock screen. No alerts, no messages, nothing. Your phone is still getting everything behind the scenes, of course, but you have to unlock it to see any of it. Peace and quiet. But hey, maybe you're thinking, whoa, hold on, I don't want to go completely dark. I still want to know what's going on. I get it, and that's where our second path comes in. This one is the perfect balance. You'll see you have a new notification, but the actual content stays hidden from any curious eyes. So, how do we do this one? It's even easier. You're going to go right back to that same lock screen notifications menu we were just in. This time, you just make sure that main switch at the top is turned on, and then you just tap on the circle next to hide content. You know, the source material put it perfectly. It said you get to see only the icon with the notification, but not the actual message. And that's the key, right? You know something's up, you know which app it is, but you don't have to broadcast the details to the entire room. So just to make it crystal clear, let's put them side by side. Path 1, disable all, gives you that Fort Knox level privacy but zero info on your lock screen. Path 2, hide content, is that perfect sweet spot. You still get your alerts and your privacy stays high. Honestly, which one is right is totally up to you. And that's all she wrote. It's really that easy. In just a few seconds, whether you decided to shut it all down or just hide the details, you've taken a huge step in securing your own information. You're in the driver's seat now. So there you go. Your Samsung lock screen is now your own private space. It's a small tweak that makes a massive difference. And, you know, it kind of makes you think, doesn't it? Now that you've got this one lockdown, what other part of your digital world are you going to take control of next?